Ladies and gentlemen, mining cryptocurrency for free. As you can see, my miner is running and at 3.54 mega hash. The phone was free. I'm using solar. So, as long as you have your own cell phone, you can get, for about $100, a solar setup will help you mine for basically free. So, on Amazon, you can get a solar panel. This is 25 watt. Comes with a battery controller. You don't need to put yours in a cage, but I decided to put mine just in case. You never know what happens when you feed it solar after midnight on a full moon. Next, you want to get a car battery, but not a regular battery. I was silly. I got a regular battery. You're going to want a deep cycle or a marine battery, but you're probably not going to have the money for that if you want to stay under $100. My solar setup identifies as lithium ion, but actually, we're charging the car batteries. And back here, we got the BS. This is the special kind that scooter batteries you use. You should get one of these type that charge up from nothing and can recharge. But legit, you want something like this. Little itty bitty battery, RBC17. Look up that code and I'll give you a nice proper battery. But you can find batteries like this, which are sealed lead acid, called SLA, my bad. So if you put the investment of $100 down, you can get like 20 watt solar. It's on the garage roof right now. And they will give you one of these. You can get a pack with one of these controller. Just get a lead acid unit and get an inverter. You can definitely get inverters. The inverters, actually no, you don't even have to get the inverter because this is DC. The inverter switches it from DC to AC, but phones are DC, laptops are DC. We can mine on laptops DC direct. Watch this. Okay, so right now, heck it, using World Community Grid in here, and it is hooked up directly to, bam, the DC in the charge controller. These things will output the DC, so you got to take this one to the inverter, right? This is just DC. It's DC to DC, man. I am running this directly, basically off the battery, but through the controller. The Hulkster's all like,
listen, brother, don't be running those things directly off of the 12-volt battery, and you gotta make sure your laptop will accept 12 volts, brother.
Midnight the solar power cat says, meow, I'm midnight, and I'm solar powered, and I am lovely. Pet me. Why don't you pet? Thank you. I have been ordered to say like and subscribe, but no, don't do midnight, don't do it. Don't subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I will make a channel and you can subscribe. Look at my midnight. No. What is with cats?